What's James been up to?
Well, if you don't know, we've been doing a lot of stuff to his X1, his off-road machine.
Are we talking about the X1?
Sure are.
That we were supposed to flip.
Yeah, the Flip X1.
We put a transmission, fixed some leaks, and now we kept it?
Yeah,
that one.
They took the X1 to Jacob. Where'd it go?
So this thing looks completely different than last time you saw it on the channel.
He parked it in the street. It's in the street.
I thought he was pulling the shop.
No, it's in the street.
Well, we ain't gonna park it, bud.
Oh, damn. Well, he could have parked it in the grass.
I think it turned out pretty sick, dude. And I like the off-road underneath. It looks really good.
I think it looks perfect.
Really. Pretty cool.
What do you think? You like it?
I love it.
Yeah. I think it's perfect.
I like how he stayed on the V, you know?
You can't really see the hail damage anymore.
It's part of the topography.
Yes.
This works up a simple auto styling studied in college, so he said he made it accurate. He said
Where is this supposed to be? Which
I don't remember. He said it's marshland though. He said it's heavy marshland.
Hey,
I said I'm gonna tell everybody about the fact that its topography is accurate.
dude, like,
The off-road's cool.
and it hid the hail damage.
Yeah.
Well,
I don't know if the camera can pick this up. Look, it's literally
Yeah.
like mud-looking vibe. It's so cool.
This isn't this the
One
bad
side
side?
has worse hail than the
Yeah.
other.
I think that's even the worse side, or maybe it's this one, but regardless, nonetheless, overall, it's pretty freaking cool, man.
Yeah, I like it.
We needed a SPEEDhaus advertisement vehicle. This is perfect.
This up on, like,
It did. That's cool, man. I think it's great, dude.
You know me, I don't want to do something that's too. I can't do too bright. I am 46 years old. But this is okay. I can live with that.
So what all's done to this thing now?
So we've got it lifted, although we do need to lift it back a little bit more. Obviously, we've gone through everything as far as like the transmission, water pump, everything's back to OE. And I guess as far as upgrades go, we've just got ceramic pads front and rear, the lift, the BBS wheels, the Bandit XT tires. The downpipe is coming for it, and then obviously we'll have it on MHD. We'll do an XHP on it too. Most all of the mods have been spent honestly on making it off-road and off-grid mainly. We just got back from Arcadia. We just spent 3 days with this. We'll do a full build breakdown. Well, we'll pop everything open, but for right now, I've just got the air conditioner. We've got a kitchen, water storage, some fishing items. I just pretty much leave this stuff in there. There is a 21 quart refrigerator. We've got 4,000 watts of power with solar and alternator charging in this. Shout out Bougie RV, sponsor us. And we're using Onyx Off-Road on our phones to help us get to our trails. But mostly everything right now is set up for camping. The car really started off, we didn't know what we were going to do with it. Obviously, you guys seen that other video. Can we get, do you ever get the hail damage in here? If you guys can't tell, this thing had significant hail damage on it. So instead of trying to make this nice like the other white X1, we're just kind of camping this thing. So let it get scratched up, let it get hailed up. But we are taking it to Ozark Rally, so we're going to turn this thing into a walking billboard. We will have shade though. That is a 20 foot by 10 foot by 9 foot tall awning. So we'll at least be cool at Ozark Rally.
Showground is hot, so that's gonna work out great. It's a hot show.
We got air conditioning fans and misters just in here, so whatever else y'all bring. Oh, you got them cooling fan things now too.
Does blow hot air, to be honest with you.
We'll have to find a way to get this dirty before the show.